Hello, I'm John Liu, and I'm pretty sure that almost everyone now can see how dangerous the situation is becoming, from climate changes, from biodiversity loss, from hydrological disruptions like flooding and drought and famine and wildfires and even pandemic and war. The Global Earth Repair Summit is a place where we can all come together to talk about how do we restore the Earth's life support systems. And it's wonderful to know that we can restore large-scale degraded landscapes. And in this, the great work of our time, we all have a role to play. And if we play together, it's going to be a lot more effective, and we're also going to have a lot more fun. So join me and all the others at the Global Earth Repair Summit.